In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change Word for Mac back to English. If your spelling and grammar checks are appearing in another language, or Word keeps switching your proofing suggestions away from English, this quick walkthrough will get you back on track. We'll focus on changing the proofing language, which controls spelling, grammar, and hyphenation for the text in your documents. Start by opening the Word document you're working on. It can be any file, new or existing. With the document open, look to the very top of your screen, in the macOS menu bar. You'll see the Word, File, and Edit menus. Right next to those is the Tools menu. Click Tools to open the drop-down, then select Language from the list. This is where Word controls proofing settings for the document. A pop-up window will appear, showing a list of languages. Scroll to find English and choose the version you prefer, such as English, United States, or English, United Kingdom. Picking the right dialect matters because it affects spelling conventions, grammar rules, and even punctuation styles. For example, color versus color, or how dates and quotation marks are formatted. Once you've highlighted your preferred English dialect, look for the default button in that same window. If the default button is available, click it and confirm when prompted. This tells Word to use your chosen English setting for all new documents you create going forward, so you won't have to repeat this process every time. If you don't see the default button, don't worry. Your choice will still apply to the current document you have open. Finally, click OK to apply the language to the document you're working on right now. You may notice that existing text is rechecked, and spelling or grammar underlines adjust to reflect the new English setting. From this point on, Word's proofing tools, like spell check and grammar suggestions, will operate in the English dialect you selected. A quick note for clarity: this change affects the proofing language used for checking your writing. It doesn't change the Word interface language or your Mac's system language. If your goal is simply to make Word recognize and correct English in your content, you're all set with these steps. That's all you need to do. Open your document, go to Tools, pick Language, choose your English dialect, set it as default if available, and click OK. With that, Word for Mac will check your spelling and grammar in English, both in your current document and, if you set the default, in new ones you create.